So, of course, the one day I decide to not check the weather before I drive my car is the one day that it decides it's gonna snow. It's not snowing like too bad. It still isn't anything that I thoroughly enjoy, but I'm gonna catch up with you guys when I get back closer to my house. Where? I'll come back and look.
Oh yeah, pivot around me. Yo, this. What's he doing?
Nigga, no way. I don't even got. You can't wear this here. I'm like, what up, YouTube? Don't get fat like me. Don't you like drag shirts like this though? Like,
Not really my style.
YouTube, check this out. Look who texted me the first one. Her name's Burp. That's my ex. She's a bitch. That shit's 1.5, bro. Bro, what's that fountain? Fish scale, battle whale, call it catch release. Limit, I'm still with the world, get us in the, it ain't safe. Live the stars, yo. See that? You had a spoiler on that.
Just like the football field, nothing.
Damn. I like that house, how it's like.
What up, pussy?